Hello students, welcome to Narana Live Classes. Today we discuss assignment number 16 of 10th class based on the topic Unit 7 Reading B. Reading B is a poem, a plea for India. A plea for India. Okay, this is the poem, right? Now what we have, we see a plea for India, right? By the title itself, one can guess what the intentions of the poet. Right, he must be a great patriot and dreaming of his country to be the toppest of the top, being the genuine citizen of the country, right? So hence he pleads us to be united and harmonious. Okay, are we united and harmonious? No. Okay, by this poem we are not like that, but hence the poet pleads us to be united and harmonious, right? Now see, by reading the poem, underline the important points. We Indians are the proud to be a great nation, declared cannot be shaken, our roots cannot be shaken, right? Why these fights, poor plights, which leave us in poor plights? Then irrespective of region, caste, forget the caste, lose our charm, selfish call of each region, call of the nation, begging. Okay, when so many tasks need finishing, don't we have better things to do? Next to see, then indulge in creating problems anew, violence, okay, with the people being cheated. Who will turn this only son? Okay, who will return this only son, whom she loves a ton? She, okay, who will bring back his brother, whose ashes he is still together? Where has all the love gone? Okay, with resided in the heart of all, there is no reason to be proud and be on high cloud. We have to go a long way. We have to think seriously, else we end up miserably. So these are the words which are very important, and meanings are given in the textbook. Okay, once you go through, right, and then let us solve the first questions. Okay, now answer the following questions. Each question has 4 choices. Choose the correct answer and write A, B, C or D in your answer booklet. What is the meaning of the word bickering? Bickering means wasting time? No. Argue about unnecessary things? Exactly correct. Speaking more and working less is wrong. And waiting for government help? No. This is B. Argue about unnecessary things. Next question. Whom she loves a ton. In this expression, she means mother who lost her son in violence, a sister who lost her brother in violence, symbolizes the Indian, not this, it is Mother India. Next. What are the things make us lose our charm? What are the things make us lose our charm? Selfishness? No. Bickering? No. It's regional and caste feelings. Creating problems? No. Next is, the tone of the poem is heartbreaking, not happy, not violent, not selfish. It is heartbreaking. Next bit. Write answers for the given questions in 1 or 2 sentences. Okay. So poet asks us to do few things. What are they? He asks us to do few things. What are they? As citizen of India, we should proud of our history. We should be proud of our history. This is the first one. Next, we should not indulge in violence. Okay, this is the second point. We should remember the sacrifice of martyrs for freedom and do needful things. Okay, next question. Is all this violence needed with the people being cheated? Why the people are being cheated? Is all this violence needed with the people being cheated? Why? The people are being cheated. Few people encourage violence by their selfish motives in the name of region or caste. Okay, with the name of this, many people, encourage violence. Few people encourage violence by their selfish motives in the name of region and caste. Okay, for this violence, innocent Indians are being cheated. For this violence, innocent people are being cheated. Okay, students, this is the answer. Next, what is the theme of the poem? A Plea for India. What is the theme of the poem? In the beginning, we have just discussed. A Plea for India, the poet recalls the glory of our nation that stands strong and trivial matters like religions, caste and personal interests should be ignored in order to maintain peace and progress. Okay, what are the things here? Poets recalls the glory. The poets recalls the glory of our nation that stands strong in trivial matters like religious, caste and personal interests should be ignored in order to maintain peace and progress. So this is the answer. With this, we have completed our today's assignment. Meet you in the next assignment. Till then, all the best. Thank you all.